Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to show you a little bit of an unboxing video. Yesterday in the mail I got a package from JetPens, and if you've never heard of JetPens before, they are like a stationery slash art company that sells just a variety of different things, such as just like office supplies or like art pens or just a variety of different things, even calligraphy for many different people. So if you're interested, stay tuned to see what I got. So let's pop this baby open. Don't want to show you my address there, but okay. I'm always so bad at opening packages, including like mail. That's probably like opening letters. I can never open them right. I always just tear the whole thing open and it just doesn't ever work out. Okay. Let's pull her open. Oh goodness, it's all coming out. The first thing that I got is a pencil case, because I don't have like a structured pencil case, so I thought it'd be nice to get one that had different compartments. Let's see if I can get them open. Okay. This is the Hit Lab pencil case, and it's a book type pencil case. So there's many different kinds of pencil cases. There's like roll up kinds, book types, just like single pocket. There's ones that just hold like 1 or 2 pens. But this is what I thought would work best for me. Got in this gray color, and it is brown on the inside. And so if you see here, it's just got 2 flaps there to hold different pens. And then it's got this middle flap right here, and on one side it's the same deal with a deeper pocket on this side. Then on the other side it has a lot of meshing so that I can put various things in there. And then one big pocket mesh, so if I wanted to put bigger things like scissors or anything handy for while I'm on the go, I think this is really great, and it's really cheap. It was the like highest rated pencil case on there, so I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, and I'm really excited. So I will be putting my pens in here as I go. Okay, let's see. So many goodies. 2 other things I got were the Sakura Gellyroll pens, and I got them in the colors. Let's look at the receipt. I got them in Copper, Bronze Star, and Silver Star. Because I don't have, like I have some gold inks, but I don't really have copper or silver, and for Inktober this year I just kind of want to play with those colors a bit more and have more fun with that. So I'll show you what it looks like and how it performs on paper. Now we have the Sakura Gellyroll pens. These are a favorite of mine, and so we'll just have to see if these are just as good as the rest. So don't know if you can, let me zoom in there, I'm so sorry. Okay, so it's got some shine to it. Pick up the paper. It's got a really pretty reflectiveness, and the glitter in there really adds to it. I'm still searching for the perfect pen to provide that nice metallic finish, but these have worked really well for me right now. And we'll try the copper one as well. Okay, so right off the bat, I couldn't tell on mine, but this is a lot more orangey of a copper than I would like. I think copper is more rust tone than that. I really like the silver one compared to the copper one, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of these in the coming weeks. And then one of the other items I got was let me say it right, the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen in blue. And I thought blue would be a nice color. This is supposed to be similar to the, let me look it up on my computer here. They were comparing this pen to the like zebra brush pen, I believe, and so I just wanted something a bit cheaper, but that would perform just as well. This was only $3, and I think it will work really well for me. So let's open her up and so here's what the packaging looks like. It's just a plastic body. And it's all in Japanese, but it's a calligraphy brush pen. The tip is a felt tip, it appears to be, and I'll show you how it performs. So here we are, and we're going to start off, we're going to show you how the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen works in the blue color. So just with the felt pen, small straight strokes. You can get large strokes as well. So just varying on the pressure, you can get a variety of different strokes. Felt tips aren't my favorite, so just by looking at it, I don't know if I would buy this again. And when I was buying this, I was under the impression that it was going to be blue ink, but that is just the color of the body, and so they have two different bodies, and this one's the hardened version, so that means the bristles are harder than the other version, and I wish I would have gotten the other version because then it would have had more give to the strokes, but this will be really good for some nice line arting when I don't want the strokes to be as loose and I want there to be a little more control in how I am inking. So good, but I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase it. I think we'll just have to see how it turns out when I'm doing Inktober. So the last like items I got were 3. They were the most expensive part of this treat for Inktober, but I got the Pentel Artbrush pens, and they have one of these at Michael's, but it's only in gray, and these are the colored versions. I really want to play with colors in my upcoming Inktober videos, and these are just some of my favorite colors. I got like a light pink, sky blue, and an olive green, and these are pretty expensive, but I think they're worth it. So let's pop one of these open. And so if you're like, I highly recommend these, and these are the only place that I could find the colored versions of these Pentel brush pens. It has synthetic bristles, but the one thing you gotta remember is a lot of people forget to take this red ring off of here. There's this red ring that prevents the ink from coming out, so you have to take that off before use. And it shows you how to do it, but it's a little tricky sometimes because it's all in Japanese. So from what I can tell, just turn this clockwise. Let's take the cap off. I have 0 grip strength. Your girl need to work out. Huh. Oh goodness. This is gonna take a bit. Oh, okay. So you turn it clockwise. And then you just lift the ring off, and then it should be good to go. And you just twist that back on there, going counterclockwise. And then you are ready to go. And you'll have to squeeze a little bit for the ink to come out eventually and get the bristles all saturated with the pigment. But I will show you how they perform as well and give you my final thoughts. Moving on, I'm gonna try to get the ink out of this guy. So you just continually, just gently actuate the base of the pen. It should slowly bring the ink down. Just make sure got it on nice and tight. Oh, now it's coming through the bristles. Okay. Look at that saturated blue. That's so vivid. Okay. Let's see how... And that's just awesome. It provides just such a flat color automatically, and when you add on top of it, it blends really well, almost like a Copic except for it's ink. And that's just such a bright blue color. And these are a bit on the expensive side, but I say just grab one if you haven't tried something like this. The synthetic bristles are just out of this world. So if you haven't tried something like this before and you want to get into some inks, I'd highly recommend one of these. Probably the gray though, that they have the dark gray at Michael's, and you can just use one of those 50% off coupons. Get for like $5, and then you can see how you like it. Oh, and that's one thing that can also happen, is just a dripping. So you gotta be careful when you're trying to get ink down into the bristles. But there's the pink right there, and that's pretty bright pink. I had, based on the cap color right here, I had thought the ink color was going to be more like that, so that's a little more saturated than I thought would be, but it's going to be good for flowers and things like that. So we're moving into our last pen here. Just going to open him right up. So here is the green Pentel. It's just such a dark color, and you can get pretty thin with it too. So yeah, those are all the pens. Okay guys, so that is my little mini art haul for Inktober from JetPens. I recommend you guys to just kind of look on there, browse, see what you like, and get prepared for Inktober with me. I'm really excited for all the drawings I'm going to bring to you guys. But if you want any more in-depth information about any of these brushes or other recommendations that you'd like to see, just leave a comment in the down below, and I will get back to you on that. But thank you so much for watching, and I'm so happy to use these. The only thing I have to do, the only thing I have to say is that for travel, these art pens don't work very well on planes because they will leak and burst open everywhere. I've had a bad experience with that. But other than that, these are perfect for on the go, and I love this pencil case. I've never had a pencil case like this, so I feel silly to get excited over buying myself a pencil case, but I'm pretty pumped. So I'm excited for the other videos I'm going to be bringing you guys, and I hope you guys will stay tuned and be along for the Inktober journey with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!